Hey guys, welcome back to another new exciting video, another new great open source repository, and its name is Bitchat, and it is from the permissionless tech. And here you see that I have written some of the diagrams and some of the text to understand and to explain this project Bitchat. So it is basically a decentralized messaging application designed to work with or without an internet connection. Normally we send the message through messenger or through WhatsApp, or there are many kind of messaging app, but to interact with the other person or to interact with that app we need the internet connection, right? But this bit chat don't need that internet connection. And what is the advantage? Let's say you have gone in a area where there is a natural disaster, and also let's say you have gone in a area for travel and there is a network issue. So how can you communicate with each other? This beat chat will actually help you to communicate. So that's why this repository got very popular, and here you see that it has got around 31K stars till now. And if you scroll down below, then you will find more information about this. And this is the first line. Here you see Alice is the first person and Bob is the second person. So Alice is connecting with Bob via Bluetooth. So this beat chat actually the Bluetooth connection. Okay, and you will say now that if a person is near, means Alice is near blob, then only they can connect through the Bluetooth, because Bluetooth can work only for the nearby connections. Then if Alice and blob are actually far away, then how they will connect? In that case they need to take the help through other person who are actually the nearby person. Let's say this Charlie is nearby Alice and David is nearby Charlie. Then from Alice to Charlie, from Charlie to David, and then David to Blob. In this way, they can send the message. And this is through the Bluetooth connection. Okay, now let's say there's an internet connection. Okay, and you want to send the message from this person. Let's say it is you, and you want to send the message to your friend, but you don't want to take any help through any WhatsApp or any messaging server that is actually let's say from biggest companies, from Meta, or let's say from any other messaging server that are available. You want to just keep it totally private. In that case you can use this BitChat. Okay, so this is a scenario where you are taking help of the internet, but you are not using any third-party messaging provider. Okay, what will happen? Here you see there are some relay server, relay A, relay B, relay C. These are actually server, and when you are sending the message, they all of these servers will get the message, and when this friend will come online, he will get the message. Okay, now this is actually the main funda. And as I told you, this makes it useful in situations where mobile networks or Wi-Fi are unavailable, such as during travel or large public events or emergencies. So when internet access is available, BitChat can also use the Nostr decentralized network to communicate over longer distances. If I just type here Control F NOSTR, here you see the Nostr. Okay, this is the Nostr protocol that is getting used when you are using the internet. So internet based, let me mark again, internet based Nostr protocol for global reach. No accounts, no phone number, no central server. It is the site group chat. Okay, that means unlike the traditional messaging apps that requires the phone number and centralized infrastructure, BitChat actually emphasizes the privacy, resilience, and user control by enabling the direct and peer-to-peer communication and decentralized message routing. And if you scroll down below, then you will find this setup using Xcode, and also this is using Just. Okay, and currently it is supported inside the Mac, I means iOS. And yes, this is the information, guys, that I wanted to share with you. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe this channel, don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to follow my channel and watch the other videos. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.